Welcome to the Station Bakery. This is how I make my snow globe hot cocoa bombs. Today's video is sponsored by Nakano Knives and their Mito knife set. After I melt my chocolate, I fill a 3-inch mold. This is the perfect size for the snow globe hot cocoa bombs. Once set, I fill them with milk chocolate hot cocoa. You can mix different powders to create new and interesting flavors. You can check out my mini recipes linked in the description below. Decorate as you please, and the cocoa bomb will be ready to be packaged. I've glued a festive cupcake liner with chocolate to the base of the snow globe and filled with marshmallows. This helps to keep everything in place. The tops do not self-adhere, so I use double-sided tape to secure. Then I top with my custom instruction tag and a cute ribbon. And that's how you make my snow globe hot cocoa bombs.